Give it 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. Where are we going? Does anyone know? Good morning, Team No Space. How's it going, guys? We are back with another video, and of course, my name is Brad. Today we are going on a bit of a hike to a waterfall. It's called the Twin Falls here in Australia. So let's get the day started. So Jake forgot his running shoes, which isn't so bad because we're checking out this boardwalk and it's pretty cool. This place is called Lake Orr. It's fresh water and there's sharks in here, which is pretty cool. Now we're just looking at some of the dorms for Krista's school. We're still just waiting on Jake, but walking around this university is a lot of fun. Krista's gonna help me get a picture in front of the Bond University sign, and we will just insert that right here.
They were doing maintenance, so I don't think...
This university is so architecturally awesome. Like, look at this. That's hard to do with your finger. That arch, or that arc is so cool.
Waterfall tours?
Waterfall tours?
Waterfall tours, hop in.
Woo! I'll take it, let's go. Well, that was a bit of a fail. We just drove like 30-40 minutes and we found a road closed sign. So not all luck is lost. We just had to go back down to the freeway and take a different exit. But this road is so windy, it's just messing with my stomach. Pulled over for a second to figure out the directions a little bit more, but while we're pulled over, Cody's pulling out his drone. So insert drone footage here.
I'll give you everything, all that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with me.
Back on our way, we have about 1 hour to go. Finally made it, like a 2-hour drive. We're all exhausted. Finally time to go check out the trail and the waterfalls. This is such a fail. There was a sign saying we can't even walk this way, so now we have to go try somewhere else. Well, the result is that we're walking 500 kilometers, 500 meters that way. We just found this lookout. Oh my God, lookout. We're starting to see some success. There's a actual waterfall, twin waterfall. We still have to get closer though. This is so sketchy. Wait until you guys see what we have just done.
Holy fuck, cut straight down.
This is crazy. Sneaking down something else on this bridge. Krista and Jake are right there. This looks pretty easy.
Well, we climbed under the other one, that was bigger.
Yep, this one's small. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fit body paying off. This is sick. Woo! Guys, check out this view. I'm at the top of the waterfall. This is amazing. We've been taking so many cool photos. I'll insert some more right here and here. Those boulders are straight up stuck. Yeah. How are we so casually walking underneath this? What? This should not be normal. No, 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 no. This is insane, guys. I would not be vlogging it if it wasn't dope. Woo!
It's sick, Brad.
It's sick. Clarification. Look at that. Amazing. Another amazing thing. Check out this waterfall. Whoa! We just made it to the final destination here, guys. Give it 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. This is fantastic. Let's go, Team No Space, we out here. I don't have a bathing suit, so I'm just going to watch some of the other people. This is so funny, look at this guy. Actually almost got so lost, and we're finding our way back, but we also found another waterfall, and this one we have to walk under. Damn! This is so sick! We are under a waterfall, guys. This is dope. So cool.
Eventually.
And that's it, guys, ending off exactly where we began. Except there's one more thing, and that's that we got Vegemite, so we're gonna go give it a try. Hey guys, welcome to Team No Space cooking show in Australia, where we are featuring Vegemite, the Australian Nutella. Even though it's nothing like Nutella, apparently this stuff tastes like garbage on its own and tastes amazing with a lot of butter on bread with a thin layer on top. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh! Don't spit it out! Oh, look at poisonous spider! Oh, that's so bad! That's so bad! Oh!
Alright, get back there. We need to try with the bread. Cody, have you tried it?
Oh! Oh, that's disgusting!
This is what they like?
No, very.
Give me a Dorito.
No, I thought you were done.
I'm not eating it. I'll piece of shit.
It's still not any good.
Look at that. No.
I don't recommend it. Don't buy it.
Here.
Thank you.
I was gonna have some, but I'm not going to now.
Well,
Here.
that is so disgusting. Okay, so that concludes the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked, please smash the like button. Please subscribe. And as always, guys, take it easy. Peace.